Bismillah. Welcome. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to generate frame, pictures, image, illustrations by using AI. So we'll be using ChatGPT. Go to your Chrome and enter chatgpt.com. So after you will bring so many ChatGPT, but in our case, we will choose the first one. So after choosing the first one, it will tell you to sign or to sign. It will bring this page, this page, but you can sign in if you have created an account before, and also you can sign up to register. So by doing so, it will give you the privilege to generate images. So if you don't register or you don't sign in, you won't be able to generate images. So get that clear. So in our own case now, I think I have an account here before. So ChatGPT, anything we want to do on ChatGPT, or we want AI to do for us, we need what we call prompts. So prompts in sense that is a group of words or the instructions that you give to AI to do for you. So to generate a frame now, so I have to explain, to put it down for AI so that it will do exactly what I instructed for her to do. So in my own case now, I've copied a prompt into on my keyboard. I'll just paste it here. And paste it here, and this is it. So generate a very big body picture frame. The frame highly features chocolate and black graduation cards and flowers, and the text of congratulations on your graduation. Written at the middle of the frame is Saeed Bolaji Alabi. It's placed on a sophisticated luxury table. Beside it is a graduation roll and cap. So in my own case now, I can edit it to suit my purpose. So the word that is very, very important here is congratulation or your graduation. So if your friend is doing graduation, so you can use graduation. If it is any other thing, you can change it. Exactly. So the name also I can change it, like uh Dr. Abdul Majid, Abdul Dr. Imran Elea. So you can assume like this that Sheikh Imran just being conferred the doctorate in University rather. So I want to congratulate doctor. I want to make a frame, a beautiful frame for him. So I can use this one so as to generate the frame for him. So after you have consulted your prompts very well, so we now click generate here. We click this arrow. So it will generate your input videos that it will not be long. So you can see it is starting generating the picture for us.